So today I have two questions. First question is that the components that these components which I selected, do I have to make their footprint manually or they have it automatically? And the second question is that the components the client uses is are not being converted to PCB because they are missing the footprints. So she just wanted to know how I selected my components, and so we cannot get any errors, DRC errors. Okay, so this is the complete PCB, and I don't create my I don't create these footprints manually, but but there is a way of the professional way of placing the schematics here. So I'll just close this subject this and show you into other project that how to make the new module. Okay, so I will show you that how to make a PCB professional, so we uh, can automatically convert the schematics footprint into the PCB and not get any errors. So first of all, we have there here new project, and basically there are two ways of placing the components here. So we will make, for example, we will make LED flasher. Uh, the first way is that we'll search here the LED which we are going to use for the LED flasher. So this is the LED, and you can see that um this LED, when we search here, we get the schematic. This is the footprint, this is the element size we can see here. If we did not see any footprints under the schematics, so we could not place it in our schematic because it will destroy our whole PCB. It will not show any footprints because this footprint is already associated to this LED. Okay, so we'll place here the LED. Okay, for the our LED flasher. Okay, so second way of placing the components is to go to the LCSE electronics. Okay, basically GLC PCB, LC electronics, and easy EDA are linked together. That the components here are we can purchase them from anywhere, from any country. They offer worldwide service, and we can see any component here, and we can buy in quantity into of 1,000 pieces. So we will just use uh, terminal block. We will use terminal block for our power. Okay, so we can see here we can see many components. Okay, if we want to copy the exact component that I used here, so this is the power terminal block. So we'll search here power terminal block, so we can get the exact part there. Okay, so there are the parts given, so they show their part number, and then they show how much quantity is in their stock, and this is the description that is being matched. Okay, so this is actually one. We can place any of the parts. Let's place this DC jack. Okay, we'll place, this is the whole banana. Okay, no, we don't want any this. We will just view its data sheet, and we'll using okay, so this is the main for example, if I copy this, I have a whole library of all components, so I can only search there and place there. Okay, into the schematic. So if we search this, so we got to know that this is the, I can put this mail header. This shows its size. This shows that how much quantity is here in stock, and it shows the exact distance between two pins, and this is through hole. So we will just do that. We will copy this part, this C4 2431798 part, and we'll copy this. Okay, so now we'll go to our LED flasher board, and now we will go to the library, and now we will call control plus V, paste it here and hit enter. Okay, then the exact part we saw here has been diverged into this. Okay, so now this is the schematic of the object. This is the same that is saw on LCSE electronic because they are interlinked, and this is the footprints. And I want to clear one thing, that when you search something here and the footprint does not sees here, okay, so don't try to use this footprint, as you have to manually made, and the process of making manually footprints is so much difficult. You can't know that how much distance you have to take between these holes and the ground place and much more. So it is a silly mistake that most of the people do. I don't know, but human makes error. No worries at all. I'm here to assist you. So you can see the schematic. You will only place the the component which will have this type of footprints present. So we will just place the element here. Okay, so we um, will just use a capacitor. We will just use a capacitor for decoupling process. I'll place 10 microfarad capacitor. Okay, so I'll hit uh, enter button, and here's the capacitor I want to see. Okay, so there are sizes that I can place. So this is the preview, and where the capacitor, I don't know why they aren't loading. If so, this is the capacitor I need. Okay, this is the exact size I need. Here the size is written at here. 0402 is the best size because it's SMD variant, or you can place a larger one as 0805. You can see it's a bigger one, so we'll just place the bigger capacitor here, and we will just paste it the component here, and you can see that the footprint is showing here, so we will place this component. Okay, so I'll place this. Okay, I want to complete this layout, so I'll make a ground here. Okay, uh, I'll wire the LED here, the capacitor from here to this. I'll rename this to VCC, these two grounds. Okay, and just attach the ground here, and just okay, so that's our, and then we don't have to find an error when we convert to schematic, as we see here that when we click convert here schematic to PCB, so it shows us to save the file, and we'll just save our file and just convert schematic to PCB. Okay, so we can see here, we will just I think the board size is already okay, so I'll do one thing. I will hit the capacitor here, and okay, I will just simply wire the components to just show you that how PCB works. Okay, so you can adjust the wire as I explained in other videos. So here our PCB is completed. We have to check DRC errors, and there is not any error. So this is the 2D of this, and you can see it is the 3D model of this. This is the capacitor, this is the LED, this is the light. So you can place the same components even after fabrication by using the LCSC, and it requires some techniques and it will take some time, but if you practice every day, so you will not meet any difficulty at all. So that's the video. Thank you, and meet you in next video.